Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. So I am so ecstatic about today's video. I want to take this opportunity to thank the Home Depot for sponsoring today's video and for sponsoring my work break. I don't know about you guys, but working from home is so super hard for me because I have to stay really focused and you know, there are so many things that can distract you while you're at home. Like I have noticed so many projects that I've needed to do, like the patio. We're going to be shopping for some furniture for the patio really quickly today. I've noticed small organization projects that need to be done, the pantry that needs to be cleaned out. There are so many different projects that I've noticed that needed to be done since I have been working from home. So I would love to know from each of you what home decor projects or home update projects that you've noticed or that you've been putting off, and now that you've been working from home, what projects are you going to be working on? For me, it's going to be the patio. As you guys, have seen in my previous video, is definitely long overdue. And last night I was shopping online at the Home Depot, and I'm going to show you guys something really quickly that I found. Oh my gosh, when I saw this patio set, I knew I had to have it because I wanted something that kind of mimicked my interior decor style. So the style of my home on the inside. I wanted to bring the indoors outside, and when I saw this particular patio set on the Home Depot, I knew that it would be absolutely perfect for the look that I was going for on our patio. So I'm going to show it to you guys. It is so you just go to the homedepot.com and type in patio furniture, but I am actually looking for, I know exactly what collection. If you don't know what you're looking for, just type in patio furniture. I want the Windsor Bay collection because I absolutely love it, and I love the number of pieces that come in it. So I'm going to type in Windsor Bay patio furniture collection, and I'm going to show it to you guys. It is so off the chain. Like, it is absolutely I typed in Windsor Baby. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I typed in, well, it worked. It came up. Maybe because there are so many kids with us this summer. We have our nieces and nephews with us, so maybe that's what's on my mind. Who knows? So it is a Windsor Bay collection, and I absolutely love it. I love the number of pieces that comes with it. I just like everything about it. So let me show it to you guys. It is so off the chain. Okay, you guys, so now that the patio furniture is all ordered, I wanted to go ahead and get some matching accessories, and believe it or not, I was able to find every single thing that I needed at homedepot.com. So I picked up some melamine plates. I also picked up a light blue throw, and I wanted to get some pillows because I feel like these things just add so much coziness and comfort to your outdoor space. So once those items were ordered and on the way, all I had to do was wait for that special delivery, you guys. Am I the only one that stalks the trucks and loves receiving packages? The only thing I hate is like that 1 second I leave the house, the package arrives. I could hardly wait to get home to start putting everything together. One great thing about these patio sets is that they are very simple to put together. They normally come in 3 steps. You typically don't need a tool. I just decided to use a cordless drill because it makes it a little bit faster, but everything you needed is included in the box. One other thing that I love about the Home Depot is that they have tutorials on their website on how to put these things together. You guys, it is so simple. It makes it so easy. I love this built program. It's like a 3D interactive tutorial that shows you step by step how to put your pieces together. So yeah, great tool.
I belong to you. belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
Okay, you guys, so another quick tip is that when you're getting ready to start your assembly process, put all your pieces together so that when you start assembling them, everything is there and easy to locate. It also saves you a lot of time and a lot of headache. I'm telling you guys, it makes the process so much more simpler.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
Okay, you guys, so the patio is finished being assembled. I am tired. So right now I have a sofa here, and I have a sofa there, and two chairs here together, a table, and two of the ottomans to create like extra seating. So we'll see. Let me move my phone out the way. I also have those pieces out there that still need to come back onto the patio. We don't know if they're all gonna fit though. So tomorrow, because I'm tired of watching, okay? Today was a lot of looking and watching and carrying on, and I am tired. So tomorrow we are going to reassemble the whole patio and look for designs, and you guys tell me what design you like best for the actual patio. We'll talk more about the actual design, but I am absolutely loving this set. It is so cozy and so warm and so amazing. So yeah, I love it. It just gives you that warm and cozy feeling, you know, like the conversation. I can sit here. So I have seating for 6, 8, 10 people, and before I only had seating for 5 people. So yeah, I had seating for 5 and then for 2, and then when I mixed the 2 together, at the most I could seat 7. Now I could seat 10 comfortably. So I cannot wait to entertain and get the family together. So more coming up. Stay tuned. So I hope you guys enjoyed the online shop with me as we picked out some amazing furniture at the Home Depot. Oh my goodness. I will leave the links down below to all of the pieces that I shared in today's video. You guys, the quality and the appearance, like, I cannot really capture the full beauty of this. I cannot wait to share the final reveal with you all. If you are interested in any of the pieces that you saw me showcase in today's video, I will leave a link down in the description box below. Home Depot has some amazing patio furniture. This is actually the second set that I've gotten from them. You guys know I had 2 pieces prior to now, and the quality and just the overall feel is just bar none. Like, it is absolutely amazing. You definitely get your money's worth. Trust me on that one. So I will leave that link down below, and I'd love to know what projects, what home decor, what home update projects you're currently working on. Is it your patio like myself? Are you working on outdoor things like landscaping? Are you, redoing your kitchen? I would love to redo the kitchen. The countertops and the flooring in my kitchen totally grieves me. Like, I'm okay with painting the kitchen cabinets over, but my countertops and my floors definitely need an overhaul. But you guys know, like, remodeling your kitchen and your bathroom are like two of the most expensive spaces in the world in your home to remodel. But I'd love to know what you're working on, and if you would love to shoot me a photo, just follow me on Instagram. You can direct message me there, or on my Facebook page at Living Luxuriously for Less. So that concludes today's video, you guys. Don't forget to visit thehomedepot.com for all of your patio furniture, your landscaping needs, your home interior update, remodeling needs. Visit homedepot.com. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!